Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with key developments. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Nike Inc., ticker NKE, a global athletic footwear and apparel giant dominating with innovative products and powerful brands worldwide. 2025 has been tough for Nike, with shares down about 24% year to date amid softer demand and tariff pressures. Last week's fiscal Q2 2026 earnings showed modest 1% revenue growth to 12.4 billion, but China weakness led to a 10% post-earnings drop. However, fresh insider confidence is sparking a rebound. Today, December 24th, reports revealed Apple CEO Tim Cook doubled his Nike stake, purchasing nearly $3 million in shares, signaling strong belief in CEO Elliott Hill's turnaround strategy. Shares are rising over 3% in early trading, offering potential relief in a challenging year. Is this insider buy the catalyst for recovery? Share your thoughts below. Buy on confidence, hold, or wait. Like for more stock insights, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.